building up their savings and retirement fund. The day after her arrival, she was taken to a clinic somewhere in the city. She was told that her employers required a medical check. A few days later, she overheard herself described as a kidney donor during a hospital visit. Despite threats, she took the matter to the police, and her complaint was the spark that uncovered a rampant trade in human organs, involving collusion between organized criminals and corrupt doctors, police, and medical administration staff.
A lot of these people that the tops of the findings are doctors. And nothing people that would just convince somebody to sell an organ for pennies on the dollar. But they are the ones organizing this trade. Nunca outra repetida entendeu? Ela desculpa. Sempre fez isso para
Kashyap's story is by no means unique. Neither is the body trade a purely Indian concern. She was just one potential victim in a global industry that turns over an estimated $1 billion every year. This is the business of crime, and in this episode, we're exploring the global body trade, the ways it operates, and the risks involved for the desperate people exposed to it. What is an unregulated and often perilous market?
It's exploitation at the highest degree. So it's essentially people's bodies being taken from them.
Black market organ transplants have a long and bloody history, but it's only in the last couple of decades that the issue has exploded into a global concern. And there's plenty of money to be made. A clean heart or lungs will likely set you back at least $130,000, with a liver or kidney coming in under 6 figures. Corneas are cheapest of all, according to the same research, coming in at a mere $30,000.
Every piece of you has the ability to make money on the market. And I'm worth, if I were to sell it, probably somewhere in the order of $150,000.
This is no niche concern. It's estimated that anything between 5 to 10% of worldwide organ transplants involve illegal payment. Kidneys are the most popular, with the WHO estimating that 10,000 are sold every year on the global black market. This is a story about supply and demand, and there are very few places on Earth where the latter doesn't outstrip the former. Shortage of organs for transplantation is a constant international problem. In the US alone, thousands die every year waiting for new kidneys.
Oh, yeah, man, me there up by farmer, so yeah, go on it. Oh, your son, sir? All right, then, no problem. All right, give me a few minutes, I'm circle. All right, then, cool.
What's up, my friend?
Boy, yeah, let's say I mean, where you going it? Call me that, but I'm telling my son to
change at all. Ah, boy. There's a lot on my plate from the other day. Trust me. I mean, becoming a doctor, I thought that financial miseries would, come to an end. But boy, it's not so at all. Believe me.
So you tell me, say, money what them pay now work out.
Cost of living is very high, sir.
Brother, there is no way me could have be a doctor, a surgical doctor at that, brother, and I'm broke. Brother, you know, say, when you call me, you know what I listen to? The radio. Me hear pan the news, them sell organs and all, brother. Big money there, pan it, brother.
No come to me with them thing there.
Brother, you want money or you want stress? Which one you want?
Look here. As much as even my vehicle right now, I insure. Me not look that direction.
Brother, you know what you know?
ALTON,
Me never say if you kill nobody, you know.
listen to me. You know you're not changed from high school days, youth. Come on. Don't put them things there to me, sir.
Bro, look. I don't know bad. You see, when the people then, when the dead people then come in, they cut out their liver card, they not gonna use when they're dead. Right? They not use it. So you can't sell it. Nothing. Nobody not have to know, brother. Me, you can't even help you really, brother. You know where you go? On the black market. And they say thing there.
I don't really that me call you about, you know, sir. Something else. But realize that you think you're easy, you know, change from them.
Brother, all me I say, I look out for you. You see me? Because what you know, remember say, just like how me plant ganja, me still have little things that me do on the side, you know. You see that little things, little scamming, little bit of scamming, little bit of, you see me?
Remember, say your police card already messed up, you know, so you don't have anything to lose, you know, sir.
Yeah, nothing to lose, brother. Right now, me
I have a lot to lose. I have my job to lose. I'm not even going to name it.
Brother, you're going to lose one job now.
I see my status already. I just try. I continue with the income and until better come. I mean,
bro,
you
look,
don't have anything
Jay,
to lose.
Jay, listen to me. A long time me have a friend, brother. Cause he's a brother, isn't me? But just think about it. Cause at the end of the day, the people them where you go take
All
it
right,
from.
listen to me.
Listen now, brother. Listen. The people them where you go take it from, then dead already. You not murder nobody, nothing at all. You just take out them sell it. People want it to buy, you know.
Listen to me, no, man.
You know much one art, brother? 250,000 US, bro. So what you tell me, say, brother? You know much
tone on your voice. Tone down your voice.
Nervous, brother. Too much money.
Look here, you know, even the friendship me I gotta think about cut off, believe me, cause you see this.
Well,
I didn't come on this.
If me I tell you how we
come from high school days and I rate you as a friend, I respect you as a friend. And I came here to talk about something else. And this is what you put into me. I mean, I don't think you respect me. I respect my status. Trust me.
So what you come to talk to me about then?
Family, the job just stressing. The job is really, really stressing. And you know, as a friend from my school days, I said, boy, I could have come across and even relax and, you know, reason. You know?
You see? I same thing you may just tell you, say, brother. You're not going to do no illegal, well, it's probably illegal still, but you're not going to get in trouble. At hospital work, you know. All you do is just pack it up in a simple package, me come pick up it and go drop off it to the black market.
Listen to me, all right. Cut the argument. Talk another time.
Yo, bless up yourself in that. As me say, just think about it, brother. If you want broke favor, you know, your problem that. But if you want make little money, no problem there night. You see me, just think about it, as me say. Yeah.
Jada, Willie.
Jada and Willow, you know. You know a big woman, you know. See? You see? From your mother gone, and me alone with Uno. Your mother married, have youth. You get it? Me find a next woman.
No, me not understand. What you try if you say?
What me I try if you say? You not even make me finish, you ask me say what me I try if you say, make me finish what me I say. We are put man over you. Eh? Feel your mother put man over Uno. Let me make sure I tell you. Because if your mother never put man over Uno, you Uno breed and you Uno married. So you can't go stay here.
What you mean we can't go stay here?
Look, girl, stop it nice.
But I so we live, I so we are go from 1 year old have and we big now you want to put we are female, we expert, we not no family, we not nobody out there. So.
Oi, shut up. For me at 15, me dey on my own.
What you put you to go do? Sell everybody?
No. It's up to you what you want to do.
We
No.
can't get no work because we're underage.
This is
Underage.
unfair, me not going anywhere.
There's
17.
nobody now gonna give it no because we're 17.
Alright, you are going. It's because you don't want to take up this, me and make sure so me pack up.
That is unfair.
Me unfair?
Me not go no.
Eh? Alright. Alright.
Daddy!
Me never know say. Me never know say who not for me. Hold this and you hold this. And don't make me go out there so I'm still there, you know, because I call the police.
Everything good. Everything good,
Go on,
yeah,
go on,
everything
go
good.
One.
Where?
you-
Come on.
All you were silent. One.
Yes. Simo? The mechanic? Right, yes. Yeah, man. Tsunami here. Yeah, man. The same doctor you them one came by the other day. Yeah, man. You know, I just a drive a while ago. Earlier, I saw the aisle light came in and the car just, shortly after that, the car just lock off. Nothing come from it, nothing. Not start, nothing. Crankshaft. Yeah, before that I saw the check light, but you know, I just want to reach home because it now move none at all. Possibly the crankshaft. So crankshaft, that can easily replace a new engine. Whoa. So now look on a new engine. I replace the crankshaft, but normally, what you said, the engine normally come up back perfect. Okay, so basically I look for a new engine. Alright, Mr. Simo. Thank you. Yeah, baby girl. Where's the bank? Then call you today. Boy. You know, I break down on the road there. If them call you, nobody answer them. Cause them call me about 10 times today, I don't answer them. When I get some money, I have to go deal with that loan. And then the mortgage again is the next problem. Yeah. But when we reach home, we talk. I'm going to try to see if I can get the car move. No how that I go work, but I'm going to see if I can. I'm going to call one of my brethren and see if I can call them. Alright, yeah.
Be cheerful of that, Rastaman. You want to say? You know it. I know him, of course, I know my neighbor. Be careful of him. A Paul, no Paul. Mm-hmm. All right, ask me how me know. Remember me tell you say me a tie in the street. So if you think you can't go on me and come on me,
Yo,
What's up, bro?
where you going?
That job that you said that could make some extra cash, right?
Mm-hmm.
Decide that I'm gonna give it a one shot. Just one.
Yo, me like how you come to your senses and you know, bro. Cause watch you know. Me know how you go in Jamaica, you know, brother. Nothing not to go on in a boss. You see me? So me know say you have to do like hustling on the side for really make it. You understand? I just say things set. You know, I don't like you do nothing bad, brother. You know, murder nobody or nothing like that. You see me? So right now, me just go up on me dey on the internet and me just go up on the black market and you see me? Organize and make sure say everything up and running.
Yeah, but before you go, promise me one thing. Promise me that you'll keep it down on the door.
Bro, this is between me and you, bro. I mean that we shouldn't even do too much talking on the phone, dog. You see me? Don't worry yourself, man. Everything good. But me just organize everything and start out, see?
Okay, I'm good.
Yeah, man. No worry yourself, man. Everything good, bro. Money so forward. Money up on the way. Yeah.
Me tired though.
Good evening, miss. Me and my sister they on the road and there's no we not eat. So can
How we are gonna do it? What we are gonna do? We can't stay up on the roadside, so look like street picnic. And the sun are hot.
Ebenezer, I understand, you know, but we not have no family, we not have nowhere to go. We not eat for days. I know you're tired, I know you're hungry. You know, so we have to go walk around and ask one or two people for help.
But me no like big.
That's the only chance we have. You want to stay up on the road?
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Ray Charles. I am from the office of CDA. Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes. So I'm not here. I'm not the police, you know, and I'm not here to lock up anybody. But I got a call saying that you two young ladies are on the street begging. How old are both of you?
I'm 17.
And she's how much?
15.
All right. So as I said, I am not here to lock up anybody. I am here to actually help. What our office does is help persons like yourself who are underage to actually get some help. So if you don't mind, both of you can come with me and I can actually get you some help, all right? No, man, you don't have to worry. If you can read, right? Yeah, man. See the badge. Yeah, man. So come with me, both of you. Come both.
Yo soy una hija del Inti Sol, de la Pachamama y del Inti Sol. Yo soy hermana del pueblo Coya, del Inti hermano y de la Aymara, de la Aymara, la Aymara. Yo misma me guío a la libertad.
Yo, a long time out of so. Brother, me I tell you, say, me I come through around and strap bogey there a while ago. I want cane truck broke down around there, brother. Me say, jam, one big all the traffic. Sorry, what happened?
You have to be a bit more punctual if we're going to continue this business, you know?
No, man, and that one, as me say. I just a little.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Well, that's the thing that we're here. But, we have this fire right now.
How are you night,
I have a lot of work to do over there. We have about 5 more bodies to start die, so. No.
So what is it now? Why in there? Oh. I think I did a chest plate.
No, man.
Money the pan chest plate and them a change in chest.
Oh.
Yeah, money the pan too.
I will have to start looking into that section of the business. But anyway, we have to go see if we can cool off the business here at the tomorrow.
I mean cool off?
I heard that the CMO, I heard that the news reaches the CMO as well. So, from the other day I saw her came by doing some random inspection. So, I just want to give it a break for right now. You know? And when certain things go back to normal, you can continue. But that guy from A&E, that
So you not go to no police?
No.
If you not go to no police, man, I can shut him up before he even talk, you know.
Well, you could
Cause I guess one man.
It's a little bit of mine, but
no, but as me I said, you see that business there, brother. Money can make out of it. You see me? I see you make money then, but we just can't really show say we make money because you don't want to draw no attention to yourself. But you understand? So it's a big business. So if we have a little squeal like that, you know, man, we have to get rid of it, you know.
Alright, I'll give you the information on him.
Alright, but we just hurry up and come on fire road there, you know, because I have a little cat here can link me a little more, you know.
Alright, so they didn't bring the cash this time. Remember I told her not to send the money to their account.
Then that me do, brother. That me do. Brother, me just say my name, my brother, because me that go so many times. As I say, you there in the account, I know, man.
You have to fix up your account because you're not punctual and then you're not following instructions.
Brother,
so.
Right now, you move too tense. It's like you want get out, brother. You want a girl to sit down for you, brother. Look at me talk. Zane, because me have to get this off fire road.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah, man, get a girl, man, and get laid. Yes, Mr. Vassal. You Mr. Vassal, right?
Yeah, man.
Give me a minute, please. I'm from CDA, the agency that is responsible for children that are homeless and don't have any parents. So basically the reason why I come to talk to you is about 2 young ladies that we found wandering all over the place in the streets, and they told us that you are their father, so we want to get some more information in regards to that.
I don't have no daughter. I don't have no 2 daughters. Our stepdaughter used to be stepdaughter.
All right, well, yeah, if you say you used to be stepdaughter.
Okay. I know them, man, but I don't respond to them now. I know me and their father.
All right,
Me and their mother used to in a relationship and their mother leave. gone America on the farm work. Last time here, me say she married and have 2 youths, so I'm not responsible. They have a father.
All right, so
That's a father responsibility.
all right, since you're not responsible for them, so we're going to have to keep them in the care of the state until we find some suitable parents for them. All right then, no problem, no problem. All right then, sir, thank you. Thank you for your time. All right.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. No, come. Come, man. Come out and carry, man. You don't move like you're handicap.
And sir, what kind of bush place they carry from?
Jane, don't bother with it, you know. Please, I'm asking you, don't bother with it. No, come, man.
Yeah, bush.
Miss Candy!
Hello?
Be a minute there, please.
Me coming.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon again, Miss Candy.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, man. So as I was saying, up there's the bag, the little girl. So as I was saying in the conversation that we had before, these are the two young ladies that are coming from the home. So I just brought them over for them to meet you and for them to stay with you. They are nice young ladies, so you don't have to worry about anything. And as I told you in the meeting also, that we'll be ensuring that every month we deposit some money in your account for the both of them, all right? And
What is their name? They look like a two nice behaving girl though. They look very nice.
all right, so this is Jada Smith and this is Willow Smith.
Okay, nice meeting you, Jada Smith and Willow Smith. So did you bring any clothes with you?
They don't have much belongings, but the few little that they have, it's in these two bags. But don't worry, you don't have to worry about clothes. We have a barrel coming in, so we have a lot of clothes. So they'll have stuff that they can have to wear, all right?
Okay, don't worry about clothes. I have a lot of clothes around the back I can give to them in the back room.
All right, so come ladies. Come, go with Auntie Candy.
Let's go this way. Let me show you guys the room.
All right, so Miss Candy, if anything arises, don't be afraid to call me, all right?
Okay, no problem.
All right, then, yeah, man, later.
Yo, Dre. Oh, yeah, me the outside now, me the outside front or so. All right, yeah, man, me outside, man. Yeah.
You must observe the surroundings, sir. No longer stand there.
Sorry, sir. I know that.
So what you do the vehicle that you drove the last time?
Yo, man, I have to dash a car there, man, because, you know what I say? Some police, they search a car that we stop around bar, brother, and have a drink, and police stop there and, like, look in there and see, like, blood them and say something. If you just run left the car, you know, because, you know, say, I can't make police catch you, and them then.
I understand. But you know, like, business that they open public, like, you understand? So next time if I rent on car.
No, man, but everything good, man. Nobody don't know what we are doing. A little ice in there.
I don't know. normally person that see me out here, because normally I'm there in the theater and thing. So,
Yeah, man.
but yeah. So business as usual, alright?
Everything good. Watch out now. Watch out now. We have some new people who want see if we can get some more. Because we have some elder people, so they want more fresh. The fresher organs them. You can't get, you see one of them from it come from old people, they want them not really good, they want them slow. So you see one of them where they were coming from the fresh young people, them want their hot bread from the market.
I don't think you have to tell me that. Because I've never saw the organs that came from old people, from elders.
Well, that good.
This heart that I have in me do right here is from a 23-year-old late woman that met in an accident last month.
Yes, and you know, say, a client, we want this year, I want politician, granny, you know. So, you know, say, price upon it. So, when the money come through, right, you just send it to your account. Right. Same as usual.
No, and another thing again, because I have to do my declaration. I'd rather you bring the cash.
Cash?
Just bring the cash.
Well, if I say cash in hand, that's no problem still, no, because cash in hand, because, well, that cash, that even better for me too.
Yeah, because you know, can't bother with the investigation stuff. As we said, the declaration, you can't load it up, because I'm not make them type of money then. Those type of money not come from my income.
Yeah.
So, you know, I have to declare each year.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
So walk with the cash and thing, right?
Yeah, man. All right, respect. So, when it come through, me link you back. Zane?
Yes.
Yeah. Good. That old woman they were going, when that really pay no mind.
And listen to me now. The price you have to kind of
step up the price.
Because as much as how you are paying me, you have other persons that might pay you. Right? So see if I can the price up.
But I mean, if you say step up the price, no problem no night, you understand? Yeah. So as I say, do the right thing. As soon as nothing more come in, just link me, Zane.
Will do.
Alright, bless up yourself.
Have a good day.
Yeah, man, you too.
Jada Smith! Jada, oi! What is that you're doing?
I burn the uniform.
Why you burn the uniform?
Look, Candy, my third fit look on the uniform. Enough generation go through the uniform. Teacher tired for see me in a uniform. Pitney tired for I myself tired for see me. Me not go to no school.
Move away
me
from fire heat.
Me not go to no school.
You know how long I have this uniform? This is my great-grandmother uniform.
The motor generation going on this year, me tired. Teacher tired for see me in a uniform. Pitney all I make trouble. Look through with you.
Hello, you see this uniform? You know how long I have this? Look. And it still look brand new.
If you don't get me no new uniform, you not go to school.
You should have glad say you get a uniform from somebody because you did not have any. You are very ungrateful. Little girl, you really light fire if you burn up the uniform. One inside. One in the house right now. Oh, hello. Come back here and say, but you don't know manners. Willow, come down here, sir, to me. Stand up right here, sir. Right here, sir. Come stand right here. Come up a little closer. Willow Smith is which man breed phone no woman and get to know. I hope you don't stay like your sister, you know. She's very rude and out of order. You know how long I have this uniform. I hope the two of no plan so no not going to school, you know. Because she just said she's not going to any school. I wonder if the two of no plan so no not going to school. Why are you shaking your head? You need to open your mouth and talk. Are you a dummy? All of a sudden, you want next one, no manners. Willow Smith, I need to call Mr. Ray Charles and make Mr. Ray Charles. Hey, Mr. Ray Charles, I need to talk to him so he can get down into this nitty-gritty. I am going to call him about you guys. Get inside and take up your book. But you're not going to any school. No manners. You and your sister is one of a kind. Out of order.
Yes, Mr. Walter.
Yeah, go on then.
Boy, we have a major problem here. This business definitely going down the hill. Trust me.
What, man?
You remember that same guy from A&E I was telling you about? That works for me. Why that man not stop drunk and spilling out information. I heard that this week in some years that it's not supposed to reach.
So we can find him?
Yeah, because that would have good enough. At least I could have used him up in the business as well. He's leaving work 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock?
Yeah, man.
Still no respond, you normally hang out?
Yeah, man, right. Joseph Bar in Savamar.
Alright, that's a 40, man. Everything good, man. Watch out, Doc. Everything good, man. Nobody worry yourself. I'll shut him up.
So, you just want to know where I'm hang out, you don't want...
No, man, just wait hang out, man. Everything good.
Alright? No problem. Yeah, man. He's always there.
Yeah. I'll shut him up.
Alright? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
See you later. Thanks.
Yo. I'm money me make, you know. Organs me have dig on themselves. They search for my work, hospital. It feel like that make nobody. Organs me have bridging themselves. I want a patient will come to the hospital when I'm up for. As soon as they did, you just cut out the heart, liver and this, and then I will just sell them for the black market. This is what I drink. Anything. See all the money when I make. I come here for drink, you know. I drink whole night. You see US dollar when I make. Buy anything you want. Whole lot. Yeah, I saw a king said, organs them we sell. So if you want a brand new heart, just call Liquid. Anything you want. Lungs, heart,
Alright, my boss. That's certainly. Me know nobody want one kidney me link you.
Yeah, I see how it takes said.
Alright.
Anything you want. Heart, liver, lungs. All if you want a new brain, call Liquid.
Alright, my boss.
Yeah, I know my boss. I'm gonna let you know, because every day we are work. Every day we are sell organs. Anything you want. Anything you want. Heart. You want a new heart, just lick me, you know. Anything you want.
I'm boss.
See me all I just drop my money. Bartender, hold that here. Keep it change. Because right now, I'm drunk, you know. Right now, I'm going to bed and sleep. Should I take the back of the alcohol in my yard?
My boss money not normal, you know.
Come outside to me, I call you. I want to stand up there, suffer.
How was that for?
Now talk to me, so little girl. You know, so Mr. Rachel's really need to come here and come talk to you. Because I don't know what this me take up on my head. Little girl. No wonder why no woman I want to know. Who to tell if no man dead? Listen to me now. Me I go up on the road, go do something. And when me come back, me want the whole yard sweep up.
You know, see son at I go wake up your that son.
Will you tell me that for me and shine it? Go on, manners. Come out of me your side. Move. All you two, take it from me. Go and go sweep up your yard. You do half. You hear what me just say? Oi. You hear what me say? You must sweep half of the yard. And Jada sweep half of the yard. What do you say, Willow? Look like you dumb. But wait. Another that. Make me go on the road and come back and me not see place sweep up. Cause I'm not a big woman. Okay.
How you do?
The lady so for rake up the yard.
You idiot. You dummy. Put on the rake. You fool. I can push me up in that jackfruit tree. So you want red jackfruit there. Put on the rake. Girl. Come show me up in that tree. Push. Wait now. Good girl. See. You can't catch Willa. No. Willow. Stop the jackfruit. Man, for jackfruit, you know, come. The woman just walk we out like we are slave and not give we nothing to eat. Yeah, Tar, you see? You like her? The dumb. How that? This is about her.
Jed and Willow. Oh yeah, don't sweep up. Wanna still long underneath the jackfruit tree I do? Look how much hours now me gone. Wait there. And who me they talk to? All you. You get up, cause I know you're a ringleader, you know. Turn around, me and talk to you. You are ringleader, you. Come here.
You give me out this man if
Miss Dummy, come over here, so when me attack, shut up. Come here. Hello. Kinda look like a Willow your name. Dummy. Dummy, what is your problem? Why you not sweep up the yard? Who pick jackfruit go now? Who standing up in a tree? All you two. Who standing up in a jackfruit tree? Suppose you did drop out and broke on no foot. And me you put in a trouble. What no problem?
You giving out this man if it?
What you mean? If me go no feed this man, now you are too big old look your old girl. Food in the house, why you never look about it? What no problem? Oh, little girl, turn around and me a chat to you. Think me your size all you about the phone. You don't have manners to big people. You the pan, and you they turn back. You don't have no manners. Me can't say, let her go.
I'm a little sister.
So what? Little girl, when me box off your lip. Don't make me have it. You see the amount of way you use. Look here, all you. What do you? You're dumb? You're deaf or what? You're blind? She'll laugh. Why don't you not sweep up the yard?
I not sweep up my yard, no?
Why don't you not sweep up the yard? Why? What can I see? Look how no big, dumb and nasty. You they are full on the belly of jackfruit. And not even little tea you can't make. And me, you don't want to come cook every day. Me is not a servant. Me don't understand how me call Mr. Rachel's. And all knowing can't reach her because me need to do left me yard. You not give me headache. Me can't take you no. And you foolishness. You lazy. And every minute you dey up and down the road, me hardly can't find you. And me don't want to put in a problem. You better think you two different picnic come give me. Because something wrong with you now. Especially you, me know say you're generally know. From the day you come here, pan. Like your statue. You're dumb. 1 million times, you still not answer. Move from in front of me. Move from in front of me. Move from in front of me.
Oi, man. What go
on, bossy.
How you do down there, sir?
You know, every day I see rubbish and I take them up because you don't know. I see place scatter with them. You don't know if I dog or what, so I take them up. So now you feel no offense or nothing, man. Don't worry yourself. I keep the place clean in the order. I see them turn out and I say, I take them up. But there's nothing I do for sake I get you upset, bossy. I just you look rubbish thing. You understand? So I see them here, so you know, say, we like keep the place clean. So I walk around and you know I see it, so I take up it. So that's what I feel now, man. Feel alright and happy, man. Feel what I do, man. Because I rubbish in man, and you don't know where you go up on the scheme you live. And I come from way one part.
Hold on, I'm forward.
Alright, bossy.
So you say you want some food?
Yeah, man, if you have food up there, you can't eat nothing around. You take a plate up, I don't know how things set. That's how things set, you know. Before I come from and I see things. I don't even know if I feel jump them or what, but I see garbage get out, so I go and put them up.
That good, man. Forward, man. I have some bread and you probably can eat a sandwich.
See, you know, walk over there, you can't give me the same way. What? I say badness set, you know, you're hustling and treat, you know. Anything you have over here, you have it done the same way. No, I go and turn yourself till, listen, I go and build yourself.
No, man, watch out, man. Forward in, man. Everything good, man. Come in and place, man.
Alright, you mean, nothing wrong. It's a penis.
Yeah, man, let's
go on.
Put on yourself.
Alright.
Come in, man.
Yeah?
You don't smoke.
No, it's everything they mash up brain, brother, mash up heart, kidney, liver, everything.
Smart, man, because smoking no good for you, you know.
Yeah, because I think they mash up brain and then sitting there now, boss. I'm not even bother with this smoking thing, you see me?
Come in, man, it's not even the mash up brain, but you see, because your heart and then sitting there important.
Yeah, man.
You can't to mash them up, you see me? So it's good that you don't smoke. So, where you come from?
I say, right up on the road just now. A place in called Lagwood. Yeah, right. I saw you know me just walk around the place and see what happens. You look at first thing.
Yeah. I got another one, you know. Yeah, man, so just line up the money. Yeah, man, worry yourself, man. Brand new. Yeah.
Why you ask me for your bag? Now you didn't have your bag.
Jesus Christ, nobody tell me some last my clothes. Anyways, what are you so? Look a girl. Come here, dog.
Grape at 200. 3 of them up here at 250. Where's the other passy?
Oh, you know no apple?
Yeah, man. 3 for 250, 100 a one.
All right, give me 3 of them.
All right, boss. Take up your one. See your bag.
Let's say a fresh fruits them.
Yeah, man. Just come off 5 fruit.
All right. So how your name?
And you know, say a fruits man, them call me, otherwise culprit.
All right, bless up yourself. Here.
Yes, Mr.
Outside.
Sir, good night. Sir, you can't buy more food for me, sister.
Can buy food, yes, we 200, yes, but I want to do it, sir.
But we homeless, we don't know where to go, we have nobody.
Homeless? I mean, I have a big house where 200 can come and stay, you know. I'm alone live, but I have an extra room where you can stay. I'm comfortable.
Sir, may I tell you the truth, right now, to the world around me, not trust people.
Well, I agree with you, you can't trust nobody. But as I say, if you feel like you're comfortable, you still you can stay in. But if you want something to eat, you want food, or you want somewhere nice to sleep, somewhere safe, you can't just come stay at the house. You understand? Come on, get you something to eat, man. You not smoke, don't it?
No.
I not drink. Because them sitting not good enough. You see me? Because you see, your heart and them sitting important. And if you smoke and them sitting, you're not going to make no sense again. So what's your name?
Jada.
Jada? What's your name? Willow? How are we getting something to eat? Yo. Boy, I tell you, say, last night I come in, dog. I'm still so bouncing. Last night I come in. I see 2 little youngie on the road asleep, isn't me? So I stay so bouncing and killing me. Last night them asleep, you know. But I don't know anything going on. I work off a put in, man. You cut off some, you cut out the organs, because we need the organs, isn't it? Because I say things, you know, them say, man, a young organs them on the road, isn't it? A young organs them they want, you know. Because you don't know, you know, man, we work off a put in, man. Yeah, man. 2 of them, man. Oh, shit, no, I'm not falling, man.
Shut up. That be nice though, man.
Hello, come here. Hello, don't move. Come here. Listen to me.
Please not give me. We here for the phone last night.
Get me on the phone. Mind people business too much. I say if I didn't want to kill you, no, I don't even wake up this morning. I wake up in a 3 days time. Top of night. Top of night. Shut up. Hear me, I say, I have a business proposal for you. You see me? This is say, when you have it hard, I go through it. So, I go help you now. Hear? All you know have to do is just be loyal to me. Get up, man. Come in and hurt you, you know. Sit there. I have a business proposal. You see work I do? It's a multi-billion-dollar business. Yeah? So, if you don't get up, man, where you do that for? Stand up properly. If you don't want to hurt, I'm going to hurt a long time. As me I say, I'm going to recruit you to do a job for me. But I can't tell you what kind of job unless you're willing to work with me. Calm down, man. Why you cry? Look. Calm down. Don't me carry home last night and don't sleep good? Don't you sleep good? Talk to me. Don't sleep good, don't it? As me I say, you're willing to take the job? You sure? Alright. Come on, come right now make me tired, you know. So come calm down, get something to eat. You don't have to be nervous. As me I say, where the original come from?